Hello and welcome to Calculus. In this video, we'll be solving this question. X times x times x plus x times x equals 36. So let's begin. The first thing we'll do is write x times x times x as x cubed and x times x as x squared. So you have x cubed plus x squared equals 36. X cubed plus x squared equals 36. Now let's group everything on one side. So we have a 0 on the right hand side. So we have x cubed plus x squared minus 36 equals 0. Now 36 can be written as 27 minus 9. The reason we are doing this is so we can get a cube and a square, right? So 27 is 3 cubed and 9 is 3 squared. We want a cube and a squared so it matches the variables, the x values on the left side, right? So we have x cubed plus x squared minus 3 cubed minus 3 squared equals 0. So now that it's in this form, we can group the cubes and group the squares. So you have x cubed minus 3 cubed plus x squared minus 3 squared, sorry. So right now if you look carefully, you have a difference of 2 cubes and a difference of 2 squares. Now the expansion for a difference of 2 cubes is shown. A cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And the difference of 2 squares is also shown. We have a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. So let's start. So x cubed minus 3 cubed, using the expansion for difference of 2 cubes, becomes x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 9. And the difference of 2 squares, which is x squared minus 3 squared, becomes x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now we can factor out x minus 3 since it's in both terms, right? So you factor out x minus 3 and you have x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus x plus 3. Now you add everything up and you have x minus 3 in one bracket times x squared plus 4x plus 12 equals 0. So we have x minus 3 times x squared plus 4x plus 12 equals 0. Now we are multiplying two terms and the value is 0. It means either of them could be 0. So x minus 3 equals 0. We can solve for x and get x equals 3. And we can set the quadratic to 0 and solve for x. Now this quadratic, we have our b is 4, our c is 12, and our a is 1. So b squared is 16 and 4ac is 48. So 16 is less than 48, which means the quadratic has no real roots. So I'm going to use the quadratic formula to solve, which is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now, applying this formula, you have the two values for x as x equals minus 4 plus square root of 48i over 2, and x equals minus 4 minus square root of 48i over 2. So that's how to solve a question like this. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.